Worksheet. Rain creatures. In the given pictures, tick rain creatures. What are rain creatures? Creatures we see in more number when it's raining. Snail. S. Dog. No. Pigeon. No. Frog. Yes. Rabbit. No. Earthworm. Yes. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.